Georgian College offers diverse programs to its students, including here at the Orillia campus, their veterinary technician and assistant programs. And get this, they've even got an active veterinary clinic. Let's go. Oh, who's a good dogger? Who's a good dogger? Come with me. Let's go. Hey, Christina, how are you?
Good, Teddy. How are you?
I'm really good. It's great to meet you. So you're Associate Dean of Health, Wellness, and Sciences here at the college, and I know the veterinary programs are a big part of that, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We have the Vet Tech and the Vet Assistant programs in Health Wellness.
And how long are these programs?
Well, they're a little bit different depending on the program.
Yeah.
The Vet Tech program is a 2-year diploma, and the Vet Assistant program is a 1-year certificate program. Hands-on opportunities for students to learn with real animals, with members of the communities bringing their pets for surgeries and dentistries.
Wow.
And we work a lot with our shelter partners as well to bring real life cases into the program. And I would say vet techs now, they can work in small animal with dogs and cats, they can specialize and work with exotics, they can work in research, they can work in large animal, emergency, critical care. It's really, the sky's the limit. It's such a broad field. And there's a pretty big shortage right now of vet professionals, so it's a really good time to be involved in the field. So to see them now and to give them opportunities or showcase opportunities that they might want to get involved in later in their career, I think it's a really great circle of life that I'm involved in.
Hey, Rebecca.
Hi, Teddy. How are you?
I'm great. It's really cool to be here in this clinic. And I know you're a registered vet technician, and so you work in a support role here for the students. What does that entail?
I do. So this isn't a fully operational clinic.
Yeah.
So we work with different shelter partners and members of the public to support the learning outcomes of the students, where they can practice their skills on live animals. We do run a surgical semester where we have the animals come in and the students actually get to perform surgery on these live animals, just as if they were going to a clinic. You know, we have students that graduate and open anything from their own, doggy daycare or boarding kennel, up to students that are working at major universities or research facilities. They work as sales or pharmaceutical reps within the industry as well. So they come from all over the country or sometimes all over the world, and they're fantastic to work with. And like I said, watching them grow from baby techs to full registered veterinary technicians like myself and Christina Burns is just something that makes me come to work every day.
Yeah.
And building great friendships and leadership roles with them is lovely.
So you're a student here and you're in the vet tech program, right?
Yes, that's correct.
How are you liking it?
I love it. Honestly, it's an amazing program. Everyone puts the animals first, and we ensure that they're healthy and happy as they can possibly be. Our labs are very hands-on, and they ensure that our fear-free program, you feel so safe with them here.
Yeah.
They're amazing. They're always willing to help and answer questions, and we have tutoring set up, so like if you're struggling, you can go to them, get some tutoring in, and it seems big and scary, but again, like all the people around you, you have a family who you can rely on and help get through it.
I had a great time here at Georgian College. I love that we got to visit the 3 different campuses, and it was just really cool to get to check out their awesome programs, and I love the focus on hands-on learning here. It's great.
I could not agree with you more. To be honest, I loved it so much that I'm rethinking my career.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I don't know about you, if you feel the same way.
Now I'm starting to, yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
So, yeah.
And if you're like us, or maybe you're interested in some of the specialized programs that Georgian College has to offer, they have countless. And so don't worry, you can also find more information about their programs at thingstoKnowTO.ca. Thanks for watching, everyone. My name is Nicole Servina.
And I'm Teddy Wilson. Thanks for going back to school with us.
Bye.